Today is my recording day and I'm going to take you along with me on how I record my videos, step by step, behind the scenes. So yeah, here we go. Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm Alan Spicer, your YouTube certified expert, and today from my mobile phone to start with, I'm going to teach you how I make my videos. Now, first of all, here I am, sorted out my hair. I'm going to take off my glasses, made sure I've had a shave. Basically, I make myself look respectable, and that's what you should do for your audience. That's what you should do to respect them if that's what they're used to seeing. Now, you might need to set up your set. You might need to do your backdrop. I've already got my shelves and my wall kind of already done, so I'm kind of lucky. So the next step is setting up the lighting equipment and the cameras. I'm just going to put you up here so you can, time lapse along with me as I set up my equipment. I make sure that I'm lined up with the grid. I make sure that I'm focused in the camera. And now I'm ready because all the set's behind me, right? Everything looks like it's supposed to be. Everything looks how it normally is. And then I'm pretty much ready to go. Now, a couple of quick tips that people may not think about is the organization of everything. So on this side, I have my one light, I have my other light, and I have the middle. So my plugs are arranged the same. That is my left, that is my ring light middle, that is my right, and that is my laptop. The reason for that is so should you get confused at any point, you know which plug to pull out. And that is when you get to see me in front of this screen. Now, there's a few steps further, right? I've set it all up. You've got the lights, you've got the camera, you've got your scenery, in which in my case I might rearrange some things, I might move some of the lights to make sure that the lighting's okay, right? But overall, there you go. You make sure that the auto adjust on the camera works okay. You can change settings on that and everything. You make sure that you zoom in your ring light. Or in this point, once you've got all your settings done up, you get your persona ready. If you're used to being hyped up, if you're used to having your coffee, if you're used to having... See, you're not normally used to me wearing glasses. So glasses go. You're not used to me wearing dark egg blue. So there you go. That's a little bit more in keeping. This is what you expect from me. And then I make sure I've got my script ready. I know what I'm talking about. And I hit record, or in this case, I already have. Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm Alan Spicer, your YouTube certified expert. But you already know that because you're here watching me teach you how I make my own videos. At the end of the day, there's nothing more important than testing, tweaking, changing. You can do as much of this as you want. Get the idea in your head, make sure that it looks okay. This has taken me 2 or 3 years to amass this kind of equipment, and I am nowhere near an expert when it comes to equipment. I didn't even know that they were daylight bulbs. I didn't even know if that ring light worked on specific things or if I could hook it. You learn by practice, and the only way you can learn through practice is by doing. And I've been doing it for 7 years. There's about 1,400 videos somewhere out there on the internet with my face, all related to me, and 300 of those are right here on this channel. Thank you for coming on this deep dive on how I set up my equipment and how I record my YouTube videos. I will be making more tips on how to record videos in future and make a mini series out of it, but if you want to maximize the potential of your actual videos, there's a playlist up here. Go out there, start creating.